Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add money with a debit card on Wise. So if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need to verify your account because otherwise you can do that. Then after that, we select right here the send option and then we fill in right here the land, or sorry, not the land, the country where we want to send money to. So let's do from here the Netherlands, there we go. And then we fill in right here 100 euros. Then now the most important part starts because we don't want to pay with Ideal. We want to do this with a debit card. So we click here on change and then we go down where we select debit card. Then right now we do add recipient and then we can search for a person on Wise, or we can do something with our bank transfer. So let's do bank transfer to someone else and then we select right here someone else and then we fill in when it's inside Europe the full name of the account holder and then the IBAN. And if it's outside Europe, we do exactly the same, but then we add right here a SWIFT and by IC code. Then we do continue and then he will send you to the review page where you need to check all your details very carefully. And then after that we do continue and then he will send us to the pay page and there you will see your payment. So this is how you can add money with a debit card on Wise. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.